Read your result. It's important to wait 30 minutes before you read your result. You'll see one line in the test after 20 or so minutes, but you must wait 30 minutes to find out your proper result. If after 30 minutes you still only have one line next to C, your result is negative. If you have two lines, then your result is positive. If your result is positive, you and your household must self-isolate, following government guidelines. If you don't have any lines, or just one line at the bottom of the display at T, then your test is invalid. After an invalid test, you must take another test. Negative results don't rule out a COVID-19 infection, particularly in the early stages of infection. If you develop COVID-19 symptoms, book a PCR test online by calling 119 or via the NHS COVID-19 app.